Hi, my name is Faisal Rehman, and in this video, we are going to talk about how to apply for jobs on LinkedIn properly. Many people click on easy apply, upload the resume, and then wait. But believe me, this is not the right strategy. First of all, you need to make sure that your LinkedIn profile is fully optimized for the job that you're going to apply. For example, in my case, if you are able to see my screen, and my niche is local SEO and SEO. So my profile should be completely optimized for this targeted job. For example, my banner, my LinkedIn heading, my about us section, my skills, and every single thing of my profile should be relevant to that specific job. This is the ideal case because recruiters will going to see your LinkedIn profile as well. The second thing is read the job description carefully. For example, let us search SEO. When you search SEO, then there is a filter jobs. Now the pro tip is that try to target the countries that have a less competition, because most of us are going to filter only, you can say, USA, Australia, UK, but there are other countries as well. For example, if I add a filter of Estonia, okay, if I put a filter of Estonia country, you can see there are different jobs are available, and you can see this job is posted 2 days ago and there is only 17 people clicked apply. So you can see there is a less competition in these countries. So try to narrow down your searches, so you will make sure that you are going into the less competitive area. Now what you need, mostly people do is just click on apply, easy apply, and then upload the resume and then wait. But this is not the ideal case. First of all, you also need to mention that jobs should be remote. So I click on remote and then see which jobs are available fully remotely. So you will first need to completely read the job description. Department marketing and sales, location Estonia, and compensation should be present here. Description. Now, because these resumes are first scanned by ATS softwares, so if your resume are not mentioned these skills that are they required for this job in their job description, so it's mean your resume will not even pass through that software, and because your resume will not pass that software, it will not come to the recruiters. Okay, so you need to make sure that your resume will pass the ATS software. You need to properly mention these skills in your resume. Okay, and nowadays, because there is a lot of AI tools like ChatGPT, you just go to ChatGPT and you make a resume there, and then tell Claude or ChatGPT that this is the job description that you going to apply. So make sure your resume must have these skills mentioned in your resume. Okay, this will help you to pass the ATS scan of your first part of your job, and there is much chances that recruiters or company owner will contact you when you apply on a job. So your each resume, you do not need to write a complete resume again, but at least you need to verify or you need to add some more content according to job description of each job in your resume. This will help you to get more better results. The fourth tip will be that after applying for the job with a proper description, with a proper resume, you need also send a short customized message to the recruiters. This will also make sure that your chances for getting hired will be increased. Okay, so if we go there, most of the time hiring manager is mentioned below the job description. So you will get who is hiring for this specific job, because hiring manager is present for every IT company and they are responsible for getting you hired. Let me check if the hiring manager is present or not. Let us check any other job that when the place where hiring manager is present. So after applying that, when you scroll down or visit the different jobs, you will see here the hiring manager option that this person is hiring for this specific job. You must send them a short and a polite message. I will send a sample message in the comment, so you will know that how to approach the recruiters. Okay, and the last tip will be, do not just apply for the 2 jobs and then stop. make a daily target and apply to at least 10 relevant jobs every day. And remember, LinkedIn job search is not about to apply everywhere. It is about applying smartly with the right job, with the right resume, and with the right follow up. In the next video, I will share how to message recruiters professionally. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.